Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 10th November 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, do such service with your bodies, minds and wealth and your thoughts, words and deeds, that you receive the return of it from the Father for 21 births. However, while serving, let there not be any disagreements with one another. Question: what is the way to put intensity into the service that Baba inspires you to do according to the drama? Answer: let there be unity and no conflict among yourselves. If there is any conflict, what service would you do? This is why you all have to meet together and discuss everything among yourselves and help one another. Baba is your helper anyway, but you have to understand the accurate meaning of children who maintain courage receive help from the Father and become helpers in this big task. Essence for Dharana. First is, be very loving to one another, but don't have yoga with brothers or sisters. Don't perform any sinful actions with your physical senses. Second is, follow the directions of God and become Satopradhan. Renounce the directions of Maya. Make your gathering very strong and become one another's helpers. Blessing for today. May you perform the act of balancing your qualifications with your aim and experience the ascending stage and so become complete and perfect, like the Father. Details are: you children want to benefit the world and you also have the elevated desire to become equal to the Father. However, there is a difference that must be visible to yourself and others between your aim and its qualifications. Therefore, perform the act of keeping this balance for the ascending stage and finish any difference. You have that thought, but keep your thought filled with determination, and you will receive the blessing to become complete and perfect like the Father. Now, change the spinning of the two types of discuss that take place. There is the discuss of self-realization, but also the discuss of looking at others. Also stop being Trikaldarshi about wasteful matters and have pure and positive thoughts for yourself and only spin the discuss of self-realization. Slogan is, to receive the fortune of doing service is the greatest fortune. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Increase the practice of the bodiless stage, Ashriri and Videhi. Practice forgetting your body and the world of bodies and become bodiless, a resident of the Supreme Abode. Then, from being a resident of the Supreme Abode, become stable in the Avyakt stage. Then come into sound to do service. While doing service, maintain the awareness of your form. Engage your intellect wherever you want in less than a second, and you will then be passed with honors.